large crowd of people, we don't know how many are in the group.
Okay, another good example. Any more ideas, Alberto?
The group fish and animals that live in the sea.
Good. Okay, these are all examples of unlimited or unknown groups. Okay, here are some examples of sentences talking about unlimited or unknown groups. Take a look at your screen. Some people like pop music, but others like jazz. The family and sports clubs are social groups. Others include religious groups and political parties. Muslims and Christians are religious groups. Others include Buddhists and Hindus. France and England are members of the European Union. Others include Spain, Germany, and Belgium. Now let's practice making sentences about these kinds of social groups. I will start. England has a queen. Do you know the names of other countries that have a king or a queen? Okay, we won't answer, but Linda, ask Sylvia a question like my king and queen example.
Sylvia, football is played with a ball. Do you know names of the other games played with a ball?
Baseball and volleyball.
Very good, Sylvia. Now can you ask Alberto a question?
The sun is a star in the sky. Do you know the names of other stars in the sky?
I am sorry, I don't know the name of any other stars.
Excellent. Okay, Alberto, can you ask Linda a question?
Apple and apricot are fruits that start with the letter A. Linda, do you know any other fruit that start with the letter A?
No, I'm sorry. I don't know any other fruits names that start with A.
All right, excellent questions and answers, everyone. Now it's time to look and listen.
Look and listen.
Washington is an American state. Others include Ohio and Florida. Mars and Venus are planets in the solar system. Others are Jupiter and Neptune. American football and ice hockey are sports. Others are cricket and volleyball. Do you know the names of any other planets? I don't know the names of any other people in the crowd. I know that England has a queen, but I don't know any other countries with a queen.
Read and repeat. Listen and write.
Now it's time to listen and write. Listen and write the sentences. My other sisters are students. I am a member of the football team and the photography club. She doesn't know the names of the other people there. Italy and Austria are members of the European Union. Others are England, France, and Denmark. England and Wales are part of the United Kingdom. The others are Scotland and Northern Ireland. The other phones are on the table. What is the name of your other brother? This apple is red. The other apples are green. Do you know the names of any other planets? Do you know the names of other stars in the sky? Now check your answers. My other sisters are students. I am a member of the football team and the photography club. She doesn't know the names of the other people there. Italy and Austria are members of the European Union. Others are England, France, and Denmark. England and Wales are part of the United Kingdom. The others are Scotland and Northern Ireland. The other phones are on the table. What is the name of your other brother? This apple is red. The other apples are green. Do you know the names of any other planets? Do you know the names of other stars in the sky? Now read the story and answer the questions about it.
Read and answer.
People belong to many social groups. If you ask someone which groups they belong to, they will probably say that they are members of a family or members of sports groups like a football club. We are all members of a country. We usually say that we are citizens. Other groups include religious groups, political groups, and sometimes hobby groups. When students go to university, they often become members of different social groups like sports clubs or hobby clubs. They usually join these clubs because they are interested in different activities like football or baseball, or hobbies like chess or photography. Other examples of social clubs are hiking clubs, political groups, study groups, and of course classes. The other important social groups that most people belong to include our friends and the people that we work with every day. Another example of a social group is a chat group that we use on the internet. Think about how many social groups that you belong to. You will probably be surprised when you count them all. There are probably more than one or two that you belong to. Now answer these questions.